Good morning, students. After discussing all the topics of chapter 11, work and energy, let us discuss exercise questions. Question number 1. Look at the activities listed below and reason out whether or not work is done in the light of your understanding of term physics. So first case is Suma is swimming in a pond. Suma is the name of a person, and if swimming is done in a pond, then what happens? Force is applied on water and displacement takes place. So in terms of physics, work is done. So we'll write yes. Next is a donkey is carrying a load on its back. So donkey is having some weight on its back, and as we know, weight acts in downward direction vertically downward, and as a movement of donkey is in horizontal direction. So both of these directions are mutually perpendicular, and therefore zero work, or we can say no work, is done in this case. And if donkey is carrying the load or weight on its back, and if it is not moving, still displacement 0, so work 0. Next is a windmill is lifting water from a well. So force is applied by windmill and water is displaced from the well. That's why work is done. So we'll write yes. A green plant is carrying out photosynthesis. So while carrying out photosynthesis, green plant need not to move. Therefore, no displacement, so no work. An engine is pulling a train. So force is applied by engine and the train get pulled, means displaced. That's why work is done. We'll write yes. Food grains are getting dried in the sun. Food grain do not displace while drying. That's why displacement 0. So work done is 0. A sailboat is moving due to wind energy. Wind is applying force on sailboat, and due to this force this boat moves. Therefore work is done. So we'll write yes. Let us discuss question number 2. An object thrown at a certain angle to the ground moves in a curved path and falls back to the ground. The initial and final points of the path of the object lie on the same horizontal line. What is the work done by the force of gravity on the object? So beta, just see this figure. If object is thrown from this point A in upward direction, this object goes like this and finally reaches back to the ground. And now it is given to us that this object is falling at the same horizontal level. So it means this is the value of displacement. So AB is displacement of object. So we'll write that force of gravity is equal to mg, which is acting vertically downward. Displacement of object is AB, which is acting horizontally. Angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. And as we know, if angle is 90 degree, then work done is 0. So work done by gravity is 0 in this case. Question number 3. A battery lights a bulb. Describe the energy changes involved in this process. So as in battery, chemical energy is stored. This chemical energy convert into electrical energy, and which finally heat up the bulb, and it electrical energy is converted into heat and light energy, because after heating to a high temperature, this bulb start glowing and producing heat. So we'll write this type of energy conversions in this case.